Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. 1-0 defeat away from home, our first away defeat of the season. You know, in the live interview, our CEO Nana Yamposa was talking about how our away record is decent, and the coach talked about how our away record is perfect. Today it has been squashed. Now we won't have anything to cling on to. It's now time to depend on action. We needed that win today because we needed to win our remaining games to have any plan or any hope of winning the Ghana Premier League. But after tonight's performance, it doesn't look as if we are going to win the Ghana Premier League. I don't think we should be dreaming of winning the Ghana Premier League after tonight's performance. And I don't think it's entirely, we shouldn't blame the coach entirely. I think we should also blame the management, because we had 2 goalkeepers on the bench today. This is showing you that we need more players in the team. We need more players in the team. Hearts of Oak are signing players, Mediama are signing players, clubs are signing, Edwana Stars are signing players. They saw that their team is not good enough, their team is lacking this, their team is lacking that. They tried to go to the market, buy players. Transfer window is open, buy players and fix. Now, you might say Asante Kotoko had transfer ban. That is why, if you had the mindset that this transfer ban is going to be lifted, now sign players and keep them, because we can sign but we can't register them. So sign players, keep them. Once the transfer ban is lifted, you just register them. It's as simple as that. Every serious club, this is what they will do. But no, today we played Fabregas was given a free role. The left wing was basically empty. Christopher Neti was playing at the right wing. What? It doesn't make sense. So I feel if as a Kotoko fan, no one should be dreaming of the Ghana Premier League. I know we have 2 outstanding games, but with what we've played against Hearts of Oak and when we play today against Elmina Sharks, we shouldn't be dreaming of the Ghana Premier League title, because it's basically not achievable with the way we are playing right now. No direction whatsoever. Emmanuel Sarkodie, oh my god. After House of Oak match, you would expect Johnson Smith to bench Emmanuel Sarkodie, because he has been appalling, no desire whatsoever. He started today again and gave us the low performance. It was just appalling and I was devastated. I feel we fully deserve that defeat. We fully deserve that defeat, because Elmina Sharks knew that once they stop Kwame Opoku, we can't score goals. Once any club stop Kwame Opoku, we can't score goals. Without Kwame Opoku, we can't score goals, and that is how it has been. And Elmina Sharks did very well to stop us from scoring. They deserve that victory. They fully deserve that victory. Top clubs in Africa, top clubs all over the continent, they don't manage, they buy players. When they see that they are lacking, how many wingers do we have? Godfred Esiama and Emmanuel Jimfi. Augustine Okra just came back. If assuming Augustine Okra didn't come back, we'd have been left with 2 wingers. So if these 2 wingers get injured, where are the replacements? None. No replacement whatsoever. We are playing Christopher Neti, a right back at the wings. A right back at the wings. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? That this club is not interested in signing players. So I don't have much to say. Today's performance was a huge disgrace. It was infuriating to watch. It was embarrassing. I think it's up to the board management to make actions now, to take actions, sign players where necessary, and do the changes if they feel that the coach is not good enough. Because I feel the coach is partly to be blamed for today's performance, but not entirely to be blamed for this performance, because the club and the management would have backed him up if they were serious by signing players and getting the team in very good shape. But personally, I don't think Johnson Smith is entirely to blame for this performance today, so I won't blame him entirely. I think it's up to the board, because it's in their hands. Sign players. What players do you need? You sign them for the coach. Benjamin York, he has been talking about this player since that he needed this player, but Kotoko have not made any concrete move to sign this player. The board will come to the coach and say, which kind of players do you need, and you buy them for the coach. But we haven't done anything so far. The player Ibrahim Salifu has a folk have signed him. That player was Kotoko Target. Ibrahim Salifu has a folk have signed him. To Enobatu, Edwana have signed. Which other players do we have in the league that we are going to sign right now? Every players have moved to, almost half of the good players have moved to clubs. I don't have much to say. I think that's all for today. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Comment, tell me what you think about today's performance. I think that's all for tonight. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.